Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearl.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dilton Chocolate. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. So yes guys, this video is basically about how to excel in 6th form. So right now I'm currently in 13th grade at the Oberlin High School. I am the student council president. Yes guys, so how I got through 12th grade, it was rough because I had to acknowledge the fact that 6th form was nothing like 11th grade, literally. So when you could get a 1 or a 2 in 11th grade quickly and easily, it's very hard to get a 1 or a 2 in Cape. So my strategy of studying in Cape is basically to be attentive in class, how to get good grades in Cape, to be attentive in class, always asking questions. If you do not understand, you ask questions. It's very important that you keep in contact with the teacher. You at least have a teacher number, you have a good relationship with the teacher, you have manners to your teacher, because one of the main things that I find important in the system of education, if you and your teacher have a good communication, if you guys have a good relationship, life will be easier. So I don't think I did my best in grade 12, in lower 6, grade 12, same thing, because I was complacent. I had a lot doing, I had a lot on my mind, even though I have a lot doing because I'm working and I'm going to school, but I think I wasted a lot of time, because in my mind I was like, oh, I have time, oh, I can do this later, oh, this and that. So I was very complacent, I was very comfortable, because I thought that, okay, I am bright enough, I cannot fail. That's my mentality. I believe I am brilliant enough, I can just go into an exam and I won't fail. Even though I won't fail, but I won't get the grade that I know I can get. So I'm doing law, communications. I did law, unit 2. I did law, unit 2, communication studies, Caribbean history, and literatures in English in grade 12. I got a 5 in literature, I got a 4 in communication studies, 4 in the 3, and I had a 5 in literature. Many of you be like, oh, she failed. No, I didn't fail. So basically in 6th form, 1 and 2 would have been like a distinction in Cape. 2 would have been like a 2. 3 would have been like a 2. And 4 and 5 would be like a 3. It's a pass. So if you get 4 and 5 in Cape, hooray, you pass, but you didn't pass with the best grades. So I was complacent, comfortable, and I wasn't aware that time was passing. So I was like, okay, I can just do it another day. Even with studying, I was like, okay, I can wake up early in the morning and study. I wanted to study a whole course in one night, and that was not working for me, because, and before, and I don't want to cut myself, but one thing that you guys should know, even with CSEC, Cape, GSAT, not GSAT, PEP, anything, any big exam, if you can get past papers, those are very important. Past papers are very important, because the thing is, there are reoccurring questions that can be used back by the ministry, by CSEC, Cape, or PEP, for the following year. So for example, you would have like I'm doing exam in 2022, right? They would have go like a year back, like 2020. Then I get a question from 2020, a question from 2019, 2018, 2017. So if I get those 4 papers, I could know some of the questions out of those 4 papers. So that's why I said working with a teacher or going online, guys, going online and finding like past papers and finding like subject teachers like on YouTube. That is very important, because in 2020 I did information technology and I didn't know anything in the class. Literally, I was dull in the class. But I met this information technology teacher on YouTube. His name is Make IT Simple. Yes, he taught me information technology, and now I hold a grade 2 in information technology. So I'm going back to Cape now. No more CSEC, Cape. So this year I'm in upper 6. I passed my my Cape, so I got the opportunity to move up to the other level, which is grade 13. So now I'm trying to stay focused and trying to be less complacent and comfortable, and trying to keep in contact with my teachers as much as possible in terms of my SBAs and all of my assignments, so that my school average as well as my examination average goes up. So a lot of us, especially persons who are doing CAPE and CSEC, we tend to stop thinking about school on a whole and start thinking about examination. But that last result, school result, is very important, because they bring it everywhere you go in life. Because like if you're doing a job, you're going to another school, they're going to say, can I see your last school result? You understand? Especially when you're applying for another school. So you need to make sure that your average is good, your comments are good, and the teachers have good things to say about you. So the other thing that I want to talk about is the examination average. So like for example, if you like the total for the SBA would be like 30 marks, you would at least want to get 15 or over on your SBA, so that you can go into the exam with at least a grade 3. So the SBA would give you a grade 3. So if you get 15 marks out of the 30, you're going to the exam with a grade 3, right? Going to the exam with a grade 3, you mash up the paper 1, you're at grade 2. You mash up, you don't do well on the paper 2, but you mash up the paper 1, because it's a multiple task, multiple choice, multiple choice, and you mash up that because you studied your paper. You studied some past paper 1s, right? So you mash up the paper 1. So for the paper 2 now, you didn't do well, but you do something, and you get like a 50% out of the 100. You either get a 1 or a 2. Let me tell you how you either get 1 or 2. So if the whole entire Caribbean not doing well on Caribbean studies, and you're at 2 with your 50%, and the entire Caribbean get 50% on the paper 2 and mash up the paper 1, you get a 1% in a CAPE. Because if everybody in the Caribbean have failed the subject, the average is not going to be high, if you understand what I'm saying. So I just want to tell you guys this, especially who will be doing the persons who will be doing CAPE and CSEC. So I hope this information has helped you, and I just want everybody to get a grade 1, 2, or 3 in CAPE and also CSEC. If you get a 4 or 5 in a CAPE, you pass. You literally pass the subjects them. But you know, it'll be like a 3, and you want to get more than that. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell to be notified, and don't forget to tell a friend, and tell a family member to tell a family member to subscribe to the Teen Chocolates YouTube channel so that I can grow and reach the 2,000 subscribers by February the 19th. Thank you guys. Bye.